Hi, this is Isha back here with our Backyard to Farm Transformation series. I thought it'd be interesting to take a look back at our property before we got it from our Zillow photos and how it's transformed to now. Let's take a look. Here's the front of our house here with these very overgrown bushes covering the windows. You can see here we trimmed those down a lot and we put down some black plastic to kill the blackberries. This is the side of our house. We had all this old fencing with rusty barbed wire on it. We took that out, we planted a hedgerow, and we put in a greenhouse that you can see there on the left. Here is where the cow pen was on the right, and we have replaced it with a greenhouse, so we've been starting all our seeds in. Now this is a cool shot. You can see that this is just a barren field, and now it's a farm. Take a look at that. You got fruit trees on the left, a bunch of row crops, greenhouse on the right. Here's another shot of how the field transformed into a farm. We got our vineyard and our berries there on the left. Here's a shot of the back of the yard where we're eventually going to have goats, and you can see the animal pen down there now and the vineyard on the left. Here's a shot of our house from the back. And we have added a trampoline for the kids, and we trimmed off a lot of that dead stuff off that palm tree. This is from our porch, and we have started to build our raised garden beds. This is the backyard. It kind of actually looked nice, but now it's been kidified, and they have their little digging area. You can see our garden beds on the right. We also thought it would be fun to do a video on how we transformed this barren field into a farm. So we did a soil test, we spread amendments and a cover crop, and then you can see it starting to come up here. After that, here's another shot where the cover crop's starting to get much more lush and green. Once the cover crop was nice and tall and flowering, we started to mow it down, put down irrigation lines, and put in our vineyard, berry rows. We've also been putting in our annual rows for our tomatoes and eggplants and peppers. Well, thank you for watching, and subscribe for more videos.